In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable local pickup on an eBay listing. If you want to give nearby buyers the option to collect an item in person, this is a simple setting you can turn on directly from your listing draft. Local pickup can be especially useful for large, fragile, or heavy items that may be difficult or expensive to ship. It also gives buyers in your area another convenient delivery option, which can help make your listing more appealing. To get started, head over to eBay Seller Hub and open the draft for the listing you're currently working on. Make sure you're in the full listing form so you can review all the item settings properly. Once the draft is open, take a moment to confirm that you're editing the correct item before making any changes. Next, scroll down through the listing form until you reach the shipping section. This is where eBay lets you manage how the buyer will receive the item, including shipping services and pickup options. Depending on the layout you see, this section may be expanded already, or you may need to open it to view all available settings. When you're in the shipping area, look for the option labeled Local Pickup. eBay may display this as a switch you can toggle on or as a checkbox you can select. Enable that option so buyers know the item can be picked up locally instead of being shipped. This is the key setting that activates in-person collection for the listing. After that, enter your correct zip code in the location field if it isn't already filled in. This step matters because eBay uses that location information to help local buyers understand how close the item is to them. Be sure the zip code is accurate, since that helps set the right expectations and improves visibility for nearby shoppers. Once everything looks correct, save or update the listing to apply your changes. If you're editing a draft, saving will keep the local pickup option in place. If the listing is already active and you're updating it, make sure the changes are fully submitted so the new pickup option appears to buyers. And that's it. By turning on local pickup and confirming